As you know, there's been a number of bullets sent in the post to a number of elected representatives, myself, Alec, and 3 members of the Alliance Party. I mean, in the first instance, I have to say that we do take it serious. Very concerned for families, whatever way we can take this, because we've had threats before. It always affects families very, very deeply. I have to say also, and I'm also very concerned at some of the comments from unionists over the last couple of days, unionist leaders, who were blaming the violence over the last 2 weeks on a democratic vote taken in the City Hall. I think it's a disgrace. I think they should be out showing leadership, not talking to each other, but showing that the type of people who are being sent, other elected representatives being sent these bullets, that's the type of people they should be talking to, that they should be not talking internally, trying to work out some reasoning around their Britishness, but actually dealing with the overall issue of Irishness and Britishness. This is about equality. We will not be put off working for equality, for parity of esteem, and when we talk about parity of esteem, it is right across the board. And we will continue to do that. Let me make a very simple point. If there's ammunition sent, it means whoever sent the ammunition have access to weapons. If they have access to weapons, then I would assume they're in paramilitary organisations. I think it is a serious move to the detriment of everybody, to the detriment of the process. But what we need is leadership here. We're up for the leadership, we're up for the dialogue, we're up for moving this all ahead. What we're not up for is trying to do away with anyone's Irishness or anyone's Britishness. We're all sharing this part of the island together, and you know, there was democratic votes taken in Lisbon Council, I think as far back as 2006, which said that the flag would go up on designated days, and there was no protest then. This has been wound up, and let's be frank about this, it has been wound up, and it was wound up by political unionism. And they have to take some responsibility of where it is, the direction it's going in now.
Alex Maskey, a very sinister development. Yourself and Gerry Kelly both sent bullets in the post along with 3 Alliance elected representatives. What's your take on this?
Well, I think it is another downward spiral in this kind of recent campaign, where we have street protests, road blockages, Peterborough attacking a police officer's car, a number of people threatened, and then today we have 5 of us elected representatives who have been sent bullets in the post, and it is a concern. And I have to say, as we have said earlier, it's actually a great concern, because if people have access to ammunition, then they have access to guns. And the next step, of course, to having those access is to using them. And you know, this has happened before, so it is a matter of concern, I think, for all of us. Now, one of the things that we would do, and certainly Sinn Féin we want to do, is to call on unionist political party leaders actually give leadership, not to follow the crowd, but to actually give leadership. Mike Nesbitt was on the TV yesterday saying that the current violence was a direct response to the vote taken in Belfast City Hall a couple of weeks ago. I think that's quite disgraceful, and I think that Mike Nesbitt needs to actually withdraw that so-called analysis. And I think he also has to share some of the responsibility for what's going on at the moment. But one thing is very, very clear: all of our local offices and all of our representatives continue on a day-to-day basis representing people from the unionists, and in particular loyalist working class communities. That's something that we're privileged to be able to do. We're delighted to have the opportunity to do it, and I want to make sure and reassure those people who want to use ourselves as elected representatives that we will continue to represent them to the best of our ability, notwithstanding these threats.